So the bin gets pallet jacked onto the bin dumper. And then we pinch it. Dump it into the soak tank, so this is filled with water.
Yeah.
Out there to get some dirt off. Empty the roots into there. Then we turn on the soak tank elevator. This conveys into the barrel washer. And then we turn on the barrel washer. These are all have variable speed on them, so you can slow the rate of the conveyor or the barrel washer, depending on what you're washing. So if you wash potatoes, potatoes or purple top turnips or watermelon radish, you pretty much kind of run them straight through. We don't let them tumble in the barrel washer because they get bruised. They pretty much run straight through and then onto the rinse conveyor and then turn on the that's there. And then we turn on the, we don't water the rinse conveyor, but we'll turn it on, turn the conveyor on. So you can set the conveyor, same thing, conveyor speed, so it's dumping off in the, we have a little piece here that holds it from going that way, but falls off of that flat onto the conveyor belt. And adjust the speed of this as well, and the level of the pressure, and then to the round table.
Neat.
This is all gonna, this whole setup's gonna change.
Yeah.
We have a sizer that we wanna put into, we gotta move the whole drainage line, but that big blue thing over there is a varying speed sizer, and we just won't have the room to put it in line yet, but the idea is to basically turn everything that way.
Okay.
Sizer where the greens line is. The green line's somewhere else, either into the greenhouse or build something else.
Huh.
And then drop roots into that sizer and have them drop. There's a conveyor belt underneath, and that way you can set lane dividers and decide, okay, this is what I want a baby carrot to be or a baby beet to be, and you can slide it.
Yeah.
So it's 3 divisions, so you can do small, medium, large. And then then it's no longer a subjective pick off the table.
Yeah.
Oh, I think this is a baby. Oh, I think this is a baby.
Have to make 1,000 decisions.
Yeah, let the machine make that decision, and then so that should speed the process up. But
Yeah.